guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20. We're having a Ford C-Max year from generation from year 2012 to year 2019, and if you're trying to find the ignition coils fuse, you have no spark or anything like that, stay with us, we will explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. You guys have 3 fuse boxes on your Ford C-Max. One is under the hood, one is on the passenger side, under kind of like behind the glove box. We have a special video about that, one in the trunk, but the one that we need to locate will be the one under the hood right here in the engine compartment. This is where most of the engine fuses will be located as well. Not all of them, of course. So you open on the back side, you have one notch, you lift up and you kind of like wiggle with it, it comes out. That's the thing that we lifted right here. Okay, careful not to break it. Now if you hold the fuse box like that, that layout corresponds to what we have specifically right here in the fuse box. You can see we have quite a few relays, fuses, all that stuff. So which fuse we need to check now? If you look right here, guys, okay, this is the fuse box layout. We need to actually locate fuse number 24, F24, this fuse right here. It's a 5M fuse, guys. That 5M fuse is the one that controls the ignition coils. So if you don't have spark, check that fuse. Now, another fuse that you need to check, anything for power control module, PCM. This is for the powertrain, guys, okay, for the transmission, engine and all that stuff. So check all the PCM fuses. We have a special video about that. Check all the relays for PCM, okay, and if that doesn't go good, make sure that you have good ground as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.